Hello everyone. So we have another interesting question for you pertaining to triangles. So let's take a look. Two different points C and D lie on the same side of AB so that triangle ABC and triangle BAD are congruent with AB equal to 9, BC equal to AD equal to 10 and CA equal to DB equal to 17. The intersection of the two triangular region has area M by N where M and N are respectively prime positive integers. Find M plus N. So let's try and draw the diagram of the same. Say we have two lines, say this is A, B, and subsequently we have another line over here. Say this is C, this is D. Okay, so now we have triangle ABC. So let's join AB and AC. Say D is in this particular point. Say just for the sake of symmetry, D is somewhere here, and we will basically be joining this as well. This we don't have anything joined as of right now. Okay, so now let's take a look at what is given. Here it's given that AB equal to 9, so this is 9, BC equal to AD equal to 10, this is 10, and this one again is 10. CA equal to DB equal to 17, so DB this is 17, CA again is 17, this entire line. So we need to do the intersection of two triangular region. Basically what we need to find is this particular region. We need to find this one, this particular region. We need to find the area of this particular region. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let me extend this a bit. Sorry about that. Let me extend this line a little and let me drop a perpendicular from here, and similarly let me do the same for this line as well. Okay, such that we have 90-degree over here and here, and let me mark these 2 points are A, B, C, D. Say E, F, and let this point be O. Okay, so here we can see triangle DEE and triangle BFC are right angle triangle. Triangle with hypotenuse equal to 10. Hypotenuse equal to 10. So we know we have a Pythagorean triplet being 10, 8, 6 such that 10 square equal to 8 square plus 6 square. Okay, so these three are Pythagorean triplet. So similarly, let me assume the height of this be 8, this is 6, this is 8, and this is 6. Okay, so I hope this much is clear. We simply assume that these are Pythagorean triplets. Okay, so now from here we can actually see that if we join these 2 points as well, if we join them, if we join B and C, then we have a rectangle D, E, F, C, where DE equal to CF being 8 and DC equal to EF being 6 plus 9 plus 6, 21. Okay, so hopefully this is clear. Now here only okay, so I hope this much is clear. Now triangle ABO and triangle DOC are basically in ratio. AB and DCO will be in the ratio 9, ratio of their respective sides being, say, AB by DC, that is 9 by 21 or 3 by 7. Okay, so hope this much is clear. Now let's do one thing. Let's draw a perpendicular from here to here, okay, this particular point, and let's take this as X, okay, and similarly let's take another perpendicular, this one, okay, and let's take this as Y. Okay, so now since both these triangles are in this particular ratio, so therefore ratio of their heights, let me term this to like O, let this M and M will also be 3 by 7. So for so here again 3 by 7 will be the height of this one, say OL, and this will be OM. Okay, so OL being Y, 3 by 7. So OL, let this this is Y and this one is X. Okay, so OL being Y, OM being M. Oh, this one being X. Okay, my bad. It will be basically reverse of the sides. So give me a second. Simply by the reverse of the side. So it will be OM by OL. So basically X by Y. Here X. So basically we know X here. X plus Y is equal to 8. So therefore Y equal to 8 minus X. So we can actually write 8 minus X. So this in turn can be written as 24 minus 3x equal to 7x, which in turn x equal to 24 by 10 or 12 by 5. Okay, so therefore area triangle AOB will be half into height into base, which is being here base is 9. So 6, 54 by 5, where 54 is M, 5 is N, so therefore M plus N would be given by 59, which is our answer. So So hopefully this question is clear to you as far as the process is concerned regarding solving the same. Kindly go through the video in general and try to understand the diagram and the approach towards solving this question. So with that said, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much.